doing? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but so we've been so caught up. Yes, we've been neglecting you guys and this channel, but we are back, and currently we are fasting, and we were feeling, obviously naturally when you're fasting, you are feeling for a meat dish. So what we were actually feeling for is a Moroccan or a Mozambican style rather type of pasta. So that's what we're going to be making here today. I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. Shivani is going to show you how to cook it, put soya prawns in it. She wants it with a little bit of a twist. I just want the sauce taste. I mean, what makes a pasta? It's the sauce, right guys? So I'm going to focus on the sauce. Shivani is going to focus on making the actual pasta and frying the stuff. And let me take you through the ingredients. Okay guys, so these are some of the ingredients we're using today. We don't like too much of veg. If you're a fan of more veg, feel free to add them in. So we're using pepper and mushroom today. We've got our Willie's Food pasta. That's the soya prawns. We've got cream, milk, double cream plain yogurt, rama, and obviously onions, a must. So I've chose one of my favorite Mozambican style sauces that's locally made here in South Africa. You can use whatever style sauce you want. Make sure it's more of a chili based type of sauce. So basically, you know, crushed chilies. And yeah, we'll be putting some cream and yogurt into that, but we'll get to that once we start cooking. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're going to be boiling our pasta. We've got our water. We get that water up to boil. With our sauce, I've got a little saucepan, and going to put some of that sauce in there. So I've poured a good amount of sauce into my pan. I'm going to chuck some butter into it. Depends on how rich and creamy you want it. Shivani is a butter baby, so we're going to go with a good amount of butter. So I've got a good amount of butter in there. I'm just going to let this sit to cool down to room temperature. And we've obviously got our cream. Sorry guys, forgive me if you guys cannot see. As you would have noticed, a new kitchen. This is actually myself and Shivani's new home. So I've got my butter. Like I said, I've got a good amount of sauce in there. We're going to chuck in some cream. We're actually going to put a generous amount of cream in here because we want a nice saucy pasta. So like I said, I'm just going to let this chill here like this to get down to room temperature.
Okay guys, so we're going to get our pasta boiling. So we're just going to add in our pasta. And some salt. And then let boil until it's nice and soft. Okay guys, so we're going to start cooking our soya prawns. I'm going to add in a little bit of oil. And a little bit of rama. Get your butter melted nicely. Okay, so our butter and oil is nice and sizzling. We're going to add in our onions. And our chilies. I got one red and one green chili. I'm not putting too much chili because the sauce is going to be a little bit spicy. Just cook your onions halfway through and then we're going to pop in the soya sauce. let that fry until it's golden brown. So I'm gonna add in my mushroom. To get that cooked up.
So guys, I've been letting the sauce rest, like I said, to get it to cool down to room temperature. And what we want is a really low heat. We don't want the sauce to boil up at this point. We want everything to mix. We've got butter, cream, and one of my favorite sauces. So I'm just going to put this down on the heat a little bit and just keep stirring. As you can see, we're getting a nice infuse already. We don't want too much of heat on the sauce. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got the sauce, the cream and the butter nicely infused. And I've been taking it in and out of the heat. Obviously not to allow too much of heat to travel through it. Just put a pinch of salt for taste. And for now, the sauce is ready. If you feel you need to add a bit more cream, if you want a bit more kick, you want to add a bit more of your favorite sauce in it, feel free to do so.
Okay guys, so our pasta is ready. So all I'm doing is trying to save some pasta water to add into my pasta. And to know how the pasta is ready, I just simply pinch it to see that it's nice and soft. You don't want your pasta too soft because then it's going to get flimsy, and you also don't want the pasta too hard, so you just want it just right.
Okay, so guys, now we're gonna put our sauce in. Is our pasta ready? As you can see, I've got a nice texture of the sauce. Remember to drop your heat, guys. We're going to mix that all in and we're going to follow with the pasta. So we're going to let the sauce simmer in and it's going to start getting a bit thick. That's what we want for that perfect pasta sauce. As you can see, the consistency is quite runny at the moment. It's already smelling so good. Remember, if you cannot smell your food while it's cooking, something is wrong. We're going to add some yogurt to give it a nice thicker texture. And a more creamy consistency. So I feel we need a little bit more cream in here. Don't feel shy to add a bit more. We like a nice saucy pasta. Okay, so we're going to let that sit and simmer on low.
If you find your pasta is getting a bit too thick right now, you can add a little bit of your pasta water. But if you don't feel you need it, you don't need to use it. So we're just going to let our pasta cook with the sauce so that all the flavors can get into the pasta as well. Same to you.
And there you have it, guys, a simple vegetarian pasta that's scrumptious and easy to make in less than 30 minutes. A few ingredients, simple ingredients, stuff that you probably already have. And what a great dinner that is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what else you would like us to show you, and it will be our pleasure.